Good morning everyone. Today we are going to discuss about one of the important examination which is Amcat. Many of us have tried campus placements in colleges, but we know because of several reasons we may not get the placement we need. So after the completion of the graduation, the best way to reach your dream is through Amcat. So I will tell you what is the process, then we are going to solve some of the examples how the questions will be. Now see, this process is very simple and straightforward. You need to apply for Amcat, then you have to take the assessment, then you will get the score. Based on the score, you can apply for jobs you want. Okay, so today we're not going to discuss much on this one, but after completion of BTech, if you want to reach your dream job, the best way is Amcat. Now we are going to solve some of the questions from the Amcat examination. So without further delay, let's get started. Now here I have taken some sample questions. We are going to update like this every day. Now without further ado, let's start solving. Now the cost price of 10 articles is equal to selling price of 9 articles. Find the profit percent. Now guys, we all know profit is equal to selling price minus cost price. Now if somebody is asking profit percentage, it will be profit by CP into 100. Now but in these kind of questions we don't know selling price, we don't know cost price. So the best way to solve these kind of questions will be, let us take cost price of one article equal to C and selling price of one article equal to S. Now then cost price of 10 articles will be equal to 10C and selling price of 9 articles will be equal to 9S. Now see here, he is saying that cost price of 10 articles equal to selling price of 9 articles. Then you have to find out whether it is a profit or loss. The simple way is find the ratio of S to C, or you can simply find out the value of S, which is 10 by 9 into C. Now see here, selling price is 10 by 9 of cost price. That means that the answer will be always greater than 1. That means it will be a profit case. Answer greater than 1 means selling price is greater than the cost price. So this is the profit case. If you got equal to 1, then that is no profit, no loss. If you get less than 1, that will be the case of loss. Now see. Now how you are going to find out the profit? Let's get solved. Now here I want profit percentage. Now what is the selling price? Selling price equal to 10 by 9 of cost price. Now I can write like this, 10 by 9 of C minus C by C into 100. So 10 by C minus C means minus 9 means it will be C, 9 will go that side, that will be 9C into 100. CC get cancelled, so our answer will be 100 by 9 percentage. Now let's move on to the next one. The ratio of radii of two right circular cylinders is 6:7 and their heights are in the ratio 5:9. The ratio of their respective curved surface area is. Now first of all, curved surface area is equal to 2 pi r h, but he is asking the ratio here. So simply, if I take like this, curved surface area 1 by curved surface area of 2, what will happen? You know that 2 pi r1 h1 by 2 pi r2 h2. Anyway, 2 pi get cancelled. R1 by R2, H1 by H2. I know R1 by R2, which is 6 by 7, because we know the ratio. And H1 to H2 ratio is 5 by 9. So 6 5s 30, 7 9 63. So 10 by 21. This is the required ratio. Now let's move on to the next one. Guys, permutation and combination is very important in any of the examination. Now see what he is asking. In how many ways can the 7 letters A, B, C, D, E, F and G be arranged so that C and E never together? That means if you form a letter like this, in this C and E should never be side by side. But finding this will be very difficult because this position may be anywhere. So instead of that, what I am going to do is I will do like this. I will find out in how many ways I can arrange 7 letters, and in that I will subtract in how many ways C and E will be together. If total minus C and E together will give you C and E not together cases. It will be like this. Out of 10 students, I am saying that 8 students are vegetarians, then remaining 2 will be non-vegetarians or not. So this is the way we are going to solve this problem. So what we are going to do is, the number of ways in C and E not together is total minus together. Now there are 7 letters. 7 letters. In how many ways you can arrange 7 letters? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Yes, I am taking 7 positions. Now here I am taking the non-repetition case. Now see here. In first place, I can place any of these 7 letters. So I can arrange this in 7 ways. Come to second place. Let us take, I have arranged 1 letter in this place. So remaining second place will be arranged in out of B, C, D, E, F, G. That means it can be arranged only in, it can be filled only in 6 ways. Now let us take, I place 1 more letter here. So this position can be filled in only 5 ways, like this: 4 ways, 3 ways, 2 ways, 1 ways. So here, whenever you are linking the words with and, multiply the possibility. Whenever you are using the word or, add the possibility. Okay, now first place can be filled in 7 ways and second place can be filled in 6 ways and like that. So we have to multiply all these possibilities. So simply we can take 7 factorial. That means 7 letters can be arranged in 7 factorial ways. Now in how many ways C and E will be together? Now see, C and E together cases. See, whenever you come across these kind of questions, make the 2 letters as a pair. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this is 1 pair and remaining 5 position. Total 7 letters. Now guys, you may ask, how if I place CE here, that is also they are together. If I place CE here, then also these 2 are together. If I place CE here, then also these are together. Now how you are going to solve these kind of problems? Simply make the letters as a group. Take it as a 1 position. Now 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I got 6 positions. So I can arrange them in 6 factorial ways. I am saying that I want C and E together. But I am not saying only C, only E after C or only C after E. That means these 2 also can be interchanged. So 2 letters, 2 places. I can interchange them in 2 ways. Now, but I don't want C and E together. I want C and E not together. Not together means total minus together cases. Now total is how many cases are there? 7 factorial. And together cases are 6 factorial into 2 factorial. Now, so if you want to find out answer, you can find it, or if you want to skip it, you can skip it because the calculation is there. Now let us see what is the answer of 7 factorial. It will be 5040. 5040. And what is the answer of 6 factorial? 720, and multiplied by 2 means it will be 1440. So 5040 minus 1440 will be 3600. 3600. Now let's move on to the next one. Now, how many numbers are there in all from 4000 to 4999? Both are included, having at least one of their digits repeated. Guys, remember, one of the digit repeated means the number may be like this, or the number may be like this, or the number may be 550 like this. So here one of the digits at least repeating, yes or no? But calculating all these cases is difficult. So what I'm going to do is, I'm going to find out like this: total number of possibilities minus no number is repeated, like in the previous problem. No number is repeated. It will give you at least one repeated. Now see, I am telling you once again, if you want to find out at least one digit repeated, you can always find total minus no number repeated. Now, first we are going to find out how many numbers are possible. Actually, from 4000 to 4999, if you subtract, you will get only 999. But he is saying you have to include both of them. So there will be total, how many numbers are there? 1000 are there. Out of this 1000, I want to find out in how many cases at least one digit is repeated. So what I will do is total minus no digit repeated I am doing now. So no digit repeated. So how many cases are there in which no digit is repeated? How many places are there? 1, 2, 3, 4. In these 4 places, let us see. First place can be filled with only 4, that we know. So it is only one possibility. Now come to here. Here I can place any number from 0 to 9. Yes or no? That means I will have here, sorry, not, it's only 0 is here. So yeah, total how many possibilities are there? Guys, if I take, wait one second, if I take 9 here, if I place 0, 4, 0, 9, 9 is possible. Again, if I take 0, 0, that means how many cases are there? Total from 0 to 9, I can place any number, yes or no? Yeah, 0 to 9 means 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Only 10 possibilities are there. Now, come to this place. Guys, once actually here we have 10 possibilities, but see here, we place one number here or not? Yes, here we are placing no digit is repeated. That means whatever the number using here should not be used here. That means if I use 4 here, I can't use 4 here. So the only possibility here is I can place 0, 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. That means only 9 numbers. Let us take, I will place one number here. So I can place only 8 numbers here. Let us take, I place one more number here. So here I can place only 7 numbers. So how many possibilities are there? 9 into 8 into 7. 9 into 8 into 7, which is 504. So no digit repeated is 504 cases. But I want at least one. So at least one cases will be total minus no digit repeated. So 1000 minus 504, which is 496. Now if half of x plus 1 by 4x plus 1 by 80 14, then value of x. Yeah, it's very simple. Simply take the LCM. What is the LCM here? 8, here 4 times, here 2 times, and here 1 time, which is equal to 14. 7x equal to 14 into 8, 7 here 2 times, so x equal to 16. Straightforward answer. Okay, now a trapezoidal with an area of 5100. Okay guys, now trapezoidal will be like this. Distance. A trapezoidal with an area of 5100 centimeters square has a perpendicular distance between the two parallel sides of 60 meters. Okay, if one of the parallel side is 40, find the length of the other. Now guys, he is saying this distance is 60 meters and one of the side is 40. We need to find out the other one, and we know the area. So area of trapezium. So area of trapezium is equal to half into a plus b into h. Here a, b, and this one is h. So here we know a value, we know h value, and we know area. It's a straightforward one. Area is 5100. Out of this, one is 40. Let us take second one is x and h is 60. So simply calculate the value of x, which is 5100 multiplied by 2 by 60 minus 40, which is 130 centimeters. Find the simple interest. Yeah, SI equal to, we know, PTR by 100. Find the simple interest on 306.25 from March 3rd to July 27. Same year at 3.75% per annum. Okay. Now guys, here we know P, we know time, and we know R. It is a straightforward one. But see here, rate of interest will be always in terms of annum. But here we have in terms of days. So we have to write by 365 in order to convert into year. Okay. Now P is 306.25. Now time period. How many days are there from 3rd July to 27th? Sorry, March 3rd to July 27th. So March 3rd to April 3rd, 31. April to May, 30. May to June, 31. June to July, 30. And July to July 27. So 3rd to 27, it will be 26 days. So 6, 7, 8. Sorry, 24 days. Sorry, 24 days. So it will be 6. What a second, because 3rd to 27, it will be only 24 days. So 6, 1, 2, 12, and 146 days. 146 days into rate of interest is 3.75 by 365 into 100. If you do the calculation, it's straightforward. 306.25 multiplied by 146 multiplied by 3.75 into 100. 306.25 multiplied by 146 multiplied by 3.75 divided by 365 into 100. It will be 4.59. What are those rupees? Now, let us take the calculation once again. 306.25 rupees P, and time period is 146 days, and rate of interest 3.75, time period is days, so we have to divide it by 365 and 100. Yeah, correct. Let's go to the next one. Dhruv and Naksh drive at a speed of 36 km per hour and 54 km per hour respectively. If Naksh take 3 hours lesser than what Dhruv takes at the same distance, the distance is. Now see, here we have to find out the distance, but find out the clue here. The only thing we know here is Naksh takes 3 hours less than what Dhruv takes. That means Dhruv time minus Naksh time, the difference will be 3 or not? Yes. So Dhruv time, do I know the time? No, but I can write this time as distance by speed. Yes or no? So I will write Dhruv distance by Dhruv speed, Naksh distance by Naksh speed. What are the Dhruv speed here? Sorry, Dhruv distance here. We know both of them cover the same distance, so I will take D as distance. Now, or if you feel confusing, you can take X as the distance. So distance equal to X. So Dhruv covered X distance with the speed of 36. Similarly, Naksh covered the same X distance with a speed of 54. Now they got a time difference of 3 hours. Okay. Now, for simplification, I will multiply all of them with 6. So what will happen? 6, 9. Yes or no? So LCM will be, let us take 6 into 9. Why to calculate on all those? So 9x minus 6x, it will be 3x is equal to 3 into 6, 18. So 3 this one, 6 times. So x will be 6 into 6 into 9. So it will be 6 into 6 into 9, which is 324 kilometers, which is option A. Now the radius of wheel of axis of car is 50 centimeters. So this, let us take this is the car and this radius is 50 centimeters. What are the distance the car would cover in 40 revolutions? Guys, let us take. If it make one revolution like this, then it will cover 2 pi r distance. So in 14 revolution, it will cover 14 times of 2 pi r. So I think we have r, so you can solve it directly. 14 into 2 into 22 by 7 into r is 50. But the answer is in terms of meters. So we have to do 1 by 100. 100 here, cancel. This one is 2 times, so 222 or 44. So answer is 44 meters. P can do a piece of work in 5 days of 8 hours each. Q can do in 4 days of 6 hours each. How long will they take to do it working 5 hours a day? Now see, P can do 5 days of 8 hours each. That means he can do total work in 40 hours. Q can do 4 days of 6 hours each. 4 days of 6 hours each. That means 24 hours. Now use the LCM method. P 40 hours, Q 24 hours. I will assume the LCM, which is 40 and 24 LCM will be 120. I will assume the total work is equal to 120 units. P can do 120 units in 40 hours. So per hour he can do 3 units. Similarly, Q can do 120 units in 24 hours. So he can do 5 units per hour. That means together if they are working, they can do 8 units per hour. Okay, 8 units per hour. Now they are working 5 hours a day. That means in one day they can cover 40 units. But he is asking, in order to complete the entire work, how many days they will take. Entire work we assumed as 120 units. Per day they can do 40 units. So total work will be completed in 3 days. Libra had 3 diamonds weighing equal. 1 diamond fell and broke into 4 equal parts weighing 20 grams each. What is the total weight of the 3 diamonds? Now guys, see here, it's a simple thing. Now 1 diamond fell and broken, each part is 20 grams. Anyway, whether it is broken or not, the total weight will be like this only. So 20 grams each part means total will be 4 into 20, which is 80 grams. Now like this, okay, 3 diamonds, he has 3 diamonds, so it will be 240 grams. What is asking? Libra had 3 diamonds weighing, one of the diamond fell and broke 4 equal parts. Total weight of the 3 diamonds, which is 240 grams only. Now this is the last one. Rohit and Rahul start from the same point and move away from each other at an angle, at right angle. Okay, so guys, they are started like this. One is going this direction, one is with 90 degrees. Now if the speed of Rohit is 4 kilometers per hour more than that of Rahul, if you take Rahul as x, then Rohit will be 4 plus x. Okay, what is the speed of Rohit? We have to find out this one. After 4, okay, sorry, I missed this data here. Rohit and Rahul start from the same point and move at right angle. After 4 hours, they are 80 kilometers. Now guys, the apartment, this distance, they are 80 kilometers apart. After how many hours? 4 hours. Now see, they started from this point, one is going in this direction, one is going in this direction. Now here I don't know any of them speeds, so I will take Rahul's speed as x. I know Rohit is 4 kilometers means Rohit's speed will be 4 plus x, and they traveled for like this for 4 hours. They are 80 kilometers apart. I need to find out Rohit. Now see, if you apply here, it is a right angle triangle, so you can apply Pythagoras. I know AC square equal to AB square plus BC square. Let us take this is A, this is B, this is C. Now what is AC square? Nothing but 80. Now guys, here I am taking distance, so this should be also distance. I know their speed x and I know their time. If I multiply both of them, will I get distance or not? So I will take AB as 4x whole square and BC as 4 into 4 plus x whole square. Okay, because this is only speed. If I want to find out distance, I have to multiply by time. How many hours they traveled? 4 hours. So multiplied by 4. Now, so 80 square is how much? 6400. 6400 is equal to 4x square is 16x square plus 4 into, that means 4 into 4 will be 16 plus 4x, and we have a square here. That means 16x square plus this is a plus b whole square, a square plus b square plus 2ab, 2 into 16 into 4, which is 128x. Now calculate this one in a single equation. You will get the value of x. 16x square, 4x, which will be 20x square. Okay, plus 128x. So minus, if I take this one here, it will be minus 256 minus 6400. It will be 6144. Now I need to solve this equation. So I am going to tell you the answer. You can solve it later. Of degree 2, A is 20. 128 and minus 6144, 14.6 and minus 21, 14.6 and minus 21. You can neglect this one. So this is the speed of who? This is the speed of Rahul, but we want Rohit. So 14 plus 4, it will be around 18. Now let's check once again. 4x square means it will be 16x square. 4 plus x, 16 plus 4x, 16 square 256, 4x square, oh sorry for the mistake. This is a square means, sorry for the calculation, I did a mistake here. 16 4x means it will be 16x square only. That means 32x square plus 128x minus 256 minus 6400, which is 6144. Now 6144. Now find out the value of x. 32, 128 and 6144. 32, 128 and 6144. 6144 will be 12 comma minus 16. 12 comma minus 16. You can neglect negative value, so it will be 12. But we want Rohit's speed, which is 12 plus 4, which is 16 is our answer. Okay guys, that's it for today. I will continue in tomorrow's class. Thank you very much.